Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove silence from a video in Capcut. Let's begin. To remove a silence from a video in Capcut, you just have to follow these simple steps. You have to remember that sometimes silence in a video can break the flow of the content, making it feel disconnected or awkward. So what I suggest is removing silence can help maintain a smooth narrative or pacing. In Deep Lab's YouTube channel, most of the time, if there are like pauses or silence in between during transitions that we create in many tutorials that we do here, or sometimes pauses or unintentional gaps in recording, we make it sure to remove it to make the video more concise and engaging. So how can you do that here in Capcut? Well, it's quite easy. All you have to do is click the new project if you want to start from scratch and begin your work. If you have already an existing project in place, just click on it. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this file, this project. So let me play it through. This is the video that I wanted to remove the silence because it's like has like a gap in between. So for you to do it, it's kind of easy. You just have to follow these simple steps. Number one is you want to make sure you go to the option here at the bottom that says captions or caption. Click on it. What will happen is that there is an option here that says identify filler words. All right, click on it and then click the generate option, and that's going to be for video. All right, so you can choose from any of the templates here from this, but remember that those with the pro watermark requires a pro subscription. So for now, we're going to be choosing the default template. Click the generate option. Takes a little while depending on your internet, so let's try to create a new video because it doesn't have any options to it. For example, I have exported a new video right here. I'm gonna try to click the captions to see if we can generate an autofill. Okay, so I have created a video within audio because some of the audio here doesn't work. All right, so we have created this option to identify the filler words, right? And then from here, once you do that, now these are going to be some audios, and if you find any clip that has like pauses with it, expand the audio. You can click the edit captions. Now here, if you find any random pauses, for example this, just click on the delete option. All right, if you want to delete, for example, you can add more captions along the way, so there's not gonna be a silence in between. For example, this, we're gonna delete this because it's like a simple pause. So delete that. You see there's an option to remove filler words. Click on it. It's transcribing. There you go. So basically, we have removed the filler words. You can also do it auto identify if you want, but I believe we're done. We're gonna go back to the video, and right here we have successfully removed the silence, which is kind of crucial if you are in the like in our niche, the tutorials and how-tos, because narration is very important, right? If the silence comes with the unwanted noise or sound, you can tap on the audio track located below, and then there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in the next one.